Dashcam information from an expert in the field. All about dashcam.
Imagine, someone hits your car while you're getting groceries or while you're parked on the street. How would you feel? You don't have any evidence or witnesses of the damage. What would you do? One insurance company says that 69% of hit-and-run claims involve parked cars. Dashcams can not only record incidents while you are driving, but also while you are away from your vehicle. Advanced dashcams have what's called impact notification, a feature that can send an instant notification to your smartphone when the dashcam detects an impact to your vehicle, which allows you to access the video that is uploaded to the cloud. Do you think a dashcam with parking mode is worth spending the extra money on? As always, the decision's yours.